Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Quick update on GameStop. It hit 180, so immediately I bought shares. You guys already know I have exactly 100 shares of GameStop. I will be buying another 10 sometime soon. There's another strategy that I've been working on, which I'm not going to tell anybody. It's only me and a buddy. But apart from that, I did buy 100 shares of GameStop as soon as it went down to like 180-ish, and I sold calls immediately. So I have been selling calls since last week. I think I sold one call, I think on Wednesday, Thursday last week, picked up a quick, I think 200 bucks. And then right now, I sold a call last Friday, and I picked up a quick $380 credit on GameStop. I don't think there's gonna be any news on the whole crypto thing on July 14th for GameStop. I really doubt something big is going to be released. So if I'm basically betting that there's going to be no news, right? Because if there is, GameStop might actually trail like super high or whatever. But as of right now, I'm betting that that there really isn't going to be too much news on GameStop, and we're going to be trading sideways for a little bit, at least for another week or two. I do think that we have hit bottoms, and I think that we're going to be trailing sideways for just about another week or two or so, maybe. But yeah, immediately sold calls on my GameStop. Made a quick, after this play finishes, I should be up 500 bucks on GameStop just by selling calls. And I might sell one more call next week, but I need to look at the TA to see what's going on. Yeah, but just quick update. GameStop, bought shares, 100 shares immediately, sold calls immediately. Already made a quick 500 bucks just off the stock from last week and this week. I'll see you guys later.